These units are from Allied Air Enterprises, which is owned by Lennox International. The brand is made in America, but the units are only sold in the USA through their authorized dealers. All of the units feature their MHT technology for enhanced refrigerant and airflows through the unit, which maximizes efficiency for the unit size. The heat pumps use louvered panel construction, which offers superior protection for the condenser coil from debris thrown by a lawnmower or from hail, and they have a durable baked-on polyester paint finish to keep the units looking nice for many years. The units have a factory-installed filter dryer to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture, but they use R410 air refrigerant, which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The units use quiet shift technology, where the refrigerant pressures are reduced prior to entering and exiting the defrost mode, which makes less noise and minimizes the wear and tear on the reversing valve. The units are relatively loud with noise levels above that of a washing machine, but they offer an optional compressor sound blanket to lower the noise level. Their guarantee is not as good as many other brands, as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The 4HP15L models are basic heat pumps with a 15 SEER cooling efficiency and an 8.5 HSPH heating efficiency, while the 4HP17L models have a 16.2 SEER 2 cooling efficiency with a 7.5 HSPF2 heating efficiency. The 4HP18V models are ultimate heat pumps with variable speed compressors and quick link technology, which monitors system temperatures and pressures and inputs them to an algorithm which controls the speed of the compressor and fan to maximize comfort and efficiency. The brand does not offer a two-stage model that would qualify for the HvacRepairGuy premium category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.